Welcome to our YouTube channel. It's Obezek. On the new podcast, the new episode. Oh no.
Season 1 episode 1, you know, Kiboy, how my plasi, but my stage name is Leader Lula in the lunatic that nigga from the dark side. Life is dreaming and living our holidays.
Yo. You with TJ here, bro.
And I am Leah, but I go by the name of It's Lile on TikTok.
Whenever intro energy.
I'm like TJ, get it up. Cameraman Zeg V.
Cameraman is
No patala Zegno patala Oh, re na le mantsa rona ka morao. Ha ke tsebe ba tla re lebitso ka bojwa mara ka ga bo wetse di semo the whole wetse es luka le gata ga da re tse fela ndre ba khalmetse. Ntongolo ngwe ke yona.
So mana zeka mfethu ke nente ke blombele mothi dane Spanish da ke kwathi ba ja uthi ke piece job mana money don't sleep dog.
Yeah,
So I was going through your page dog. Hey boy.
Phamisa ke phamisa thongolo ngwe ga phusha.
Hey, it's nice dog.
Pusha.
Mama, hello kwena le beile mo ke teng. Are you aware of that?
I'm not.
I'm gonna tell the first video you're referring views.
Hey, one of those people.
I don't know.
Hey,
I don't know if it's the face or she famous already.
No,
It's the face. Oh yeah.
it's the face.
Plus video ngolongo
We're not there, Mama Dinda,
on the highest level. What's the car?
Yeah, but speaking of the face and everything, look, I'm gonna around the table get so around here like since you hold up until so far that like I've seen people choosing beauty over everything, and I've seen women choose money over everything.
But that's not true.
Yeah,
That's not true.
I get a so maybe you can correct.
No, but then I'm just saying, you can't say women choose money over everything and like.
Listen, I said, I've seen men choose beauty over everything. Like they forget about all these other traits. Like, are you fit enough for Sunday? Or don't raise my kids without giving me any stress? Because remember, as a man, I'm supposed to fend hard for you and the kids and everything. And then when I come back, I'm supposed to detox this stress and everything. Understand? So right now, some niggas, okay, sharp, we should be stated the divorce from 10 years ago up until now.
States.
And then
States.
The stated the divorce from 10 years ago. Later find out what's the difference, and then balance so why and like these days whereby everybody has a freedom of speech, like you can express yourself in a relationship, you can be who you want to be. Better yet, at the outermost end, who are divorced.
Understand.
Okay, so now from you to take it realize it. And like I think you work on guys. Oh, I love I fit to beauty. Hey, but I need to go for beauty every given day, dog. You know what? Listen, dog. I know myself, dog. Right? Since you get high up until now, I know myself, bro. I know what I want, I know what I need, dog. I know what's necessary and what's not necessary, right? I know how to make myself happy, right? So me, that beauty, that's the only thing is short in my picture, dog. Because you know I want to be an artist and all of that, like their headline, I want to like choose. So imagine me, dog. I just pull up with a chick that looks exactly like me. Eh, bora.
Mara dula vele teng.
What if she's loyal?
Eh, o le o dula.
Loyal has everything.
Listen,
Besides
the thing at some point, nobody's loyal.
But then what if, like,
You know
from
what?
the get-go, she was with you from the get-go.
let's
Till until pull up also was sharp.
I
And
could.
then now you're saying you like beauty.
I
You prefer
could.
beauty.
Listen, Ocho, as much as I gotta get my uncle or so as much as you get your uncle or so, but when hey, I'm smooth talk. So I always go for chicks that I prefer. My total choose. If your beauty doesn't meet the scale that I want it, if it doesn't comprehend the scale, dog, it's just I'd rather stay single, dog, and just chow.
Wanna chop?
That's
That's
just me.
You're not scared of getting sick or something.
Okay, what we doing? Body count again.
Hey boy, let's not go.
You gotta talk. We gotta talk.
The thing is, I call it. If get over body count, listen. If get over body count, get over the chicks in Taylor Hore. I prefer them. Bane be long hore dog. To Sarabos in Paman. But why should I count them in? Because you never one time.
Both are my thing then.
What's that? Oh, I also vibing Haliba.
No, but it's
then-
no. Listen, count. I count that everything.
Hey.
It adds up to your body count.
Now I'm not gonna count them.
What do you see?
Now I'm not gonna count them.
Why?
Hey.
I'm gonna count someone when it's about I was genuine with them. That's the only thing that I'm gonna count.
But matter of fact is you guys at some point you had your souls tied together. You had that nigga Jalago. He was busy poking the hole, and you was enjoying it, dog. And I bet you,
What if
dog,
I didn't enjoy
Baba Bodinda, at some point we fucked up, man. At some point we tell each other in the ears, babe, I love you, and nothing. Understand? So at some point, doc, you felt that guy. And one thing about Macherine, women should count every negative. They do. But I tell her truth. We as men, we have different. We as human beings, like okay, I guess human beings, males and females, we have different sex hormones. You understand that, yeah? So our pituitary gland, like. Another hormone is secreted specifically for coffee, right? And for all amount, dog, just by hobona nipple, fail and jack. Dog, that's secreted, dog. Secretary, you can tell
You how from all of this, you're born.
Now we are going I get into the news and from body count.
Yeah, from body count.
Like I sing when I'm Jaga, I can let
You just told us relationship status.
Oh, I'm not
But
going
then I agree.
I release it. By the Baba Halavan Kilito.
Fun.
For it, I can't tell.
Let's hear the ladies first. So if we really get it, that's the journey we're going to take.
Magaladu alone.
Hey.
Make it well as a do. I'm going to get now with
So we're not giving talking about body count. Does it matter? Does it matter who banana or does it matter who batwa baby or does it matter who shima? Or high matter at all?
In my tower, man,
Marobana important.
How? I feel like that's one.
No way. So it is
O ka ba proud of that motho magala e lewe no check. O gona le body count maybe so much 10 plus.
No, like you know what?
O ka o ibe
Yeah, I understand.
I hope you didn't know why in the Tara banana fella some Tara multi.
Banana magabadula.
As a scripture in the Bible that says, if a man is evil, no matter how evil a man is, But if finally a genuine woman who is angelic and stuff, dog, that money, because of high. But there's no scripture in the Bible. You understand that? Like religion, and then the soul ties, dog. Like it's all about being submissive and being dominant, which is the masculinity and femininity. You understand, dog? Like I have to dominate you. Imagine every nigga that comes into your life that has sex with you like it doesn't matter whether it's a once-off thing or whatever, dog. Like at that moment, that color I'll penetrate or dominate. Right, it's more like banana kid cats. I understand. Like the cats, if we really on your lap, it takes away all the bad energy you have. You understand? So banana, honale some funny fact there. At least the OT can go can I have a sexy at least 5 times. And in a week we have 7 days.
Yeah, yeah, effect.
Ya re isn't total o tie ba le jene le ka bo re fe.
Banana ke bona ba carry but like ba shana ba carry cause le ba bedi le ntse sex.
Cause I'm the one who penetrates. I don't get penetrated.
You don't get penetrated, but you penetrate.
Okay.
Still your soul gets shy.
Let's take it like this. I got a knife, use a body, I stab you. Who's gonna die?
Mara analogy how
No, it's like this. I'm poking the hole, dog. Like I'm poking the hole. For you, a woman can get pregnant for one nigga, Silimo. And in that period, it's up to 6 months, premature. Right? If I handle within 9 months or after, you understand. And then a nigga can get up to okay, I can't read for pregnancy. A nigga can get like 9 women pregnant within 1 month.
1 month in your when how like soul tie.
But when listen, the soul ties for you guys don't understand. Like for Mauti, whenever I have sex with a woman, if that woman is clean, dog, if she's not fucking around, do I tell her choose it? I get new energy, positive energy, the energy to grind, the energy to faint, and everything like that. You understand? But if dog, have you okay, I'm gonna say it proud, dog. Like when I was 15, that was the first time I bought a prostitute. Yeah, I bought cake, dog. When I was 15, and dog, the whole idea was mine, dog. That's the thing. Yes, I enjoyed Hori. Fuck, I'm fucking an old woman like me. It was nice. The dumplings was like this. Dog. Okay, so okay, nani ke ska batla tseba ke lositse
but the work
but kana go ye wa choose ke le sentse ke tseba e bile go totu ba go fela gantse ke ya plasing le time re lata go dinku ka bentse ba phehlamisi wa bona and I'm like
I'm not that time
can I get this
only one
no dog it was like ke jutile o lady wa bona for lady re ba ya ka skela re ya blow mo wa bona and o lady am fanyo because I was still ya bona tsatsi I got out fanyo go ke lata mauti wa tell nka mauti re highway I tell re highway I mean I get highway niggas didn't know lo etsala I get fitla la inentelo 50 rand and I don't know no china go guy right but back in 2019 I did that shit again inentelo 50 rand so happy it depends on the standard it's about so I choose it. Niggas didn't know how to guy. They just thought they are placing on Nagalata, Holosheva Bumshapi, Laka and stuff. As you do like a bank at the weekend. So I told her choose. They were just surprised that if it was 4 or 5 that's a 200. Hey, guys, we need 4 chicks. That's 4 niggas. We need and the most bad one I never had at all. Hey, y'all like young and everything. Why? I'm like, I'll see what I tell take up over that fit. Hey, if we feel like you just have to bend.
Yeah.
Moko 2 minutes noodles out. I'm like, I go stress, and then I collect a heart. What I realized, after that, my soul became dark.
Yeah.
That was the same year. First time I enjoyed Kelelori. Shit, I slept with them, all the women. Why I told her choose. And I enjoyed it. Yaba sekidula ke batla ya plasing every weekend. I know my parents gonna give me money at your plasing. Understand? So when I celebrate every time I get plasing, kilo, why I told her choose. I mean, my soul became very dark. That year, dog. Like that's when I first stabbed somebody in my life. Don't understand. I mean, that's when I first did crazy things in my life. Yes.
Mara o tshongwana braka a go bua ka ene. Ha go bua ka ene o bona le ntwe go ka go bona. Go bona batho.
Better living there.
No, dog. Listen, it's more like Emila. It's your body. My toilet choose. Emila. Luena outi. Unto heba kamile at some point. Dog. Everybody unta rekisa at some point. It's just we choose rekisa party thing. I told no, it's wrong, but at the same time, it's acceptable. I don't know why it is acceptable, but I think it's acceptable because dog. And then you have to do whatever it takes for you to survive. Right? You have a little kid, dog. So whenever like prostitution some nigga have responsibility. Right? So for that factor, some nigga have responsibility. I'm not saying it's right. I understand. Because dog, if I say take easy dog, who's gonna put bread on the table?
Sure, bro.
Bruh, 60 meters about 25 baht. I can go for like 3 days to get sergeant email drink. Right, I bet you I'm gonna there's 50% about you how to like a 6 you say. Ya 12 for sergeant. Umona kula na man. Umona kula mwane for a shame. Mutho wa ku atiketala. Right, so ha re tshwane le fatseng right, as much as ba bang ba tlo hasela ka intelligence, ba bang ha ba na yona intelligence, so ba itseng guys. A re bo ba itseng.
Wena nka itsa ngwana sele.
No, I don't know. I don't know.
So I read this about you tshwere moti go tshwara po
I could get a note of Ricky Moti about prostitution.
I get a point.
Let's some point.
Oh, I consider
yeah, okay. So I said something called the first time I stabbed somebody I was 15. I told it was the same year I used to do crazy things. I told her choose. I can say 60% double or I told her choose. They just did it because we were possessed. I told her choose. And for 30%, they did it because they felt like, okay, this is the easiest way out. Right? And then in 10% it's just an estimation and percentage. 10% though. I mean, like they tried everything. I mean, the first thing I say, the first thing boy. I say, I told her choose. Niggas tried everything. They're not this smart nigga dog. They're like 7. I wanna Kenya wanna to the shop. I mean, they're not this smart nigga. Like I said, I'm gonna win the game. No, cool. Like. Yeah, it's more like Kenya ya putani chapa ya about ya kai wela sebele power wela ha re ka go putani chapa ya go kana ka goma go fihlela zoning ya bo Blue Train e tell e form a gang mo tiagadane and then ba bona lebitso le suitable for bona ele Rise and Shine since Rise and Shine is the most trending place from around. I told you that's how the name came, dog. Unless otherwise we had this smartest nigga on fit to gang fit to the boy na badile jo. I told the boy utila lobala peshe I told Hajika, how to lose span. The companies the busy the movement to one dog. I told from Lady Brain. Nzalo to this span mushanga sa vende Lady Brain. I told her choose companies are Lady Brain in the movement to one dog. We're now do. I told we're now do. That nigga, we let her know via a Josie. Right? And a Josie there, all ends the same shit, or I survive. I wobble under the bridge, dog. Right? Maya told us span. Right? So Obamzala had no choice. He did everything right. We say education is key, right? We say living genuine life is key, right? So what happened? Zala, he did everything right. But life
Like
didn't
everything now
prepare
about
him.
urban connection.
Yeah.
Nowadays, everything you know, some of your connection. Or else, you won't get anything unless not a connection.
Even though it's only
Yeah, even though not qualification, but I'll keep personal connection.
Yeah, but we can say it's not always the case. Yeah. But imagine choosing over let's say bo doctor, let's say go blow my by tola choosing, and then they onale mothaba dileng Dubai, ne life fihla private hospital. Who do you think they go pick?
Dubai.
Exactly.
Dubai.
I told
Yeah.
not because of connection.
Mara ha re bua ka market dem ne di shopong da ka molong.
You have
bona le post ne. How to apply? O sentse ona le motho ka.
Yeah.
A sentse ana le
Already
spa.
stand on the spot sale.
Hey, apply in the shop of usually you would contract.
Okay.
Even though you can school.
even the schools too, though. I told Gila, I get to beat a little last gala. At some point, Gila Spanas Gala say. And I get to this Spani because Daima Moholoaka was a chairperson here. Okay, SGV school government, yeah, SGV. I told her choose. Yeah, he was a chairperson. I told. So now they too. Kisite CV. Last days, Gala says 3 days. And we have people they don't know about this city dog. They don't know receive it I know dog, I know one thing for sure. 40% about to never later. Give I can get the connection, it's a challenge. I can say, let's say something like Boma 30% or 25%, 25 to 30%. Why I told but never can get a connection now. Or relate to mamma's gala, or relate to mamma's gala, mamma or relate to mamma getting no high. Why I told her choose mamma give a best friend and no high. Why I told her choose. That's how most are on about to never later retort in Spanish that day. Why I told her choose. I mean it's a few but I think in the case of a fella escajampa. I told Elseba, Bakonung, we can never to the connection. But in take it over dog, at some point the system gives no fuck. We can connection, you got power, can connection. As long as we wait some civil to span, we don't give a fuck. I told and then we talk can take a connection, no honor protect that dog. Hore, now it's a class or spanning or protect. Because take a low moto, we have measure as at the span. Understand? So at some point, it's the system. And I don't hope all the
and qualification. Needs.
And I hope all
for dollars
like some people have a choice. You understand? They don't have a choice. And then the only option e tlileng ho bona kore ke robalele motho enana and then ke fumana mosebetsi. It's a once off thing, ke robalele ke fumana mosebetsi.
Ha se one so.
How about the promotion happen?
Listen.
If you pretend.
If someone is smart enough, you can have one soft dog. Sometimes
Yeah,
it
once
becomes a
off.
one soft thing.
Then you
Sometimes
die.
they are care.
Motho ke ntse Spanish ga khona o ntsha.
Dog, against Spanish.
Jwang.
You
You
had to poke me. Imagine if they didn't kiss. Like some people are smart, but who manipulate it. Ako mama nganza make us choose. I'm gonna give her a golden dick. I'm gonna give her a golden dick, dog. After giving her a golden
So
dick.
once off, I feel like
How na mohlang ke to khuka hape ke paid.
because I know if you bring the girl, that's not
So
Take it, let's
so
say.
feel like le sebetsa spacing se buane every day go ne no kopana le motho
okay. I got what I wanted. Give man msebetsi. I get at first came msebetsi wa hae or anga point or ke sebetsi, you understand? But then o batla ke robalele. So I do it and then I move on.
Yana ka thela opportunity ya go khona o blackmail.
Atola.
Okay.
Yeah, o blackmail. Not that ke blackmail yena because
Yana
ke
go
na tlile
blackmail.
control. And ke boss ya ka.
Nyana ka bo fethu.
Mara hona-
Totsi recording.
If
No,
you're not
ke na
going to
tlile
get-
in trouble because ke boss ya ka.
recording.
Hey,
O la le on threaten ka go ntsha tape.
Hey.
Dog,
Hey, be
if I
bana.
go down, she
Hey,
goes
bana,
down
hey,
too.
didn't
Ha
you-
ona na ka se ntsima. Gape ntwe ke threatening fela me.
Listen.
Mara, I
If
guess
I go
it's-
down, ke lose Spanish fair.
I guess I feel like I guess because Lily too, little wela, Lily too.
Exactly.
But then I go well more ke mang ke boss because ke na because ke ena ke mosebetsi wa hae.
And the thing lo hlaisi usually ba basebetsi ba keneng ba
Le ena o ba itse jwang?
yeah
Ho hlahela ba bang ba buishane ba re nna ntse ke tsa sona.
ba sa
Mara be se nnete.
no go bontsha wena ka itse wena
Ngisiyetsi na, ngisiyetsi.
So I can move.
We do whatever it takes for somebody.
I can move on to the next thing here. Uchambata shell let's in Dalia about the currently relationship status. Obvious.
fela lo
Kaofela lo.
e seng yena
Yeah, se nna fela.
Oh.
Guys,
what
Yeah, man, now it's all.
why what's a relationship status?
Eh, but shell let's obvious.
What
Killing.
does that mean? As
Eh, just what's a relationship status?
Eh, ya go kala.
Ah,
complicated. It's complicated.
Bueno, sang is little celebration of it.
Yeah, it's complicated. No, I can't explain how, but then it's complicated. That's it.
Complicated isn't like you fucking with somebody, but you're not sure if you wanna go to them into the near future. Alright. Or complicated isn't like you're not sure that nigga will
Everything. And I'm not sure but then I don't know. It's complicated. I could go a bit. It's complicated.
It's complicated.
Wena?
Wena?
Habu.
Why really I?
Hey, Habu.
It's complicated. That's it.
Alright, guys. Nah. I think I don't want to say my video mangata ke character tse ngata. Okay. So as in like as in le bitso la tlhao ne. I'm not taking dog.
Single.
Yes. But my plus was starting I choose it because of libito and everything. Some chicks like that, or I told her choose. So they give me what I want because of they can get what they want, or I understand they choose. So now I'm like, hey, it's complicated. It's complicated.
It's complicated.
I think you know what.
Yeah?
Kisingi.
Not in this world. Yeah.
when
Not
I
in this world.
Na kisingi.
Not in this
What's
world.
the look what's
I'm
on
just single.
when I
Okay, you're single, but you're fucking with somebody.
Yeah.
Na kisingi.
Like single,
Are you
single,
fucking
single.
with somebody?
Oh no.
Are you fucking with somebody? How frequently do you
Mara
fuck with
kisingi.
them?
Maro single.
Eh.
Oh,
Mara,
some
then there's
sneaky link
someone-
type shit.
there's-
Type
Ke
shit.
sure.
O sengile ka bona le situationship.
Eh,
Situationship. Mara ke single.
Maro
Ah,
single.
guys,
Mara how?
I until I official.
Oh, haina label.
ZV.
wala ka ba
Relationship.
Wena o rata ho di bala.
wa tsa relationship e toxic e jwa
Bua pele o single ka boteke.
ana complicated ke sure ana ke tse wa jwa
I think
ana ke tse
Emela wele complicated to single complicated.
Ana ke jo,
Ana
sure.
ke ke take it. Resonance ke ra ke take it kore. Ke tlo re ke take it. Motho o mo teng o ntsa ga ha take it.
O bo le
Nna ke re retile I think I just give a good dick yena o na le motho e leng hore
Ene ke tshetsala no. Ke tshetsala no. Now we are taking. But then motho mong
and I think that in ya hore I think that in ya hore ke ska hlola ke Brenda relationship ke fa le ditso choose e kadile after some chick and enjoyed dog bra I just enjoyed dog oh I mean I had the wildest sex dog like bra go bile di o trop do se why tona choose
yo.
I mean afterwards she was like I mean you know I'm taken right and I'm like what
Damn.
nah I'm just here because somebody told me oh you can do this.
yes yes emotional damage
I mean, as much as get me out of shit, getting it when somebody told, hey dog, I mean, I was fucked up. Cause
Would you date an unchallenged person?
what?
An unchallenged person.
An unchallenged person.
oh
I cool. I'm demonic as fuck, dog. So me, I don't have any preferences. As long as you pretty, I don't care about shit. Right? Ntombora bo mane mo eleng hore o so nkela le bo bana le simbaka. Understand? And in the life we're living, I think everybody is allowed to hold a body DNA test here and there, right? Because
No, I would never date an unchallenged person.
your reason being,
Like, I once dated one.
yeah.
But then it's like he doesn't care at all. But he cares. You understand? How show we anything?
That's the thing about Rona Mauti. Once you get I care, you grow a big head, dog. So I always avoid I care. Because I'm scared of losing you
An unchallenged guy.
over a move that I made.
An unchallenged guy is a red flag. And I'm gonna say that. But then, yes, because there's no communication. You don't even show you care. And then how the complainer, you it's like, I didn't know. Now I thought things are going smooth, understand? But then we're not gonna solve.
That's the thing about Rona Mauti Fit. Like, I want Rona Mauti Fit.
Never.
How can she be the rusty half, dog? Get the rusty half for the idea fit. How to Sanjay to her baby, kill a pea. I can on the hand on a pea. I cannot
boyfriend everything.
No,
Everything.
I have one medulla.
Yeah.
I have one medulla. And that one medulla, o sapata system ya.
But then it's true. When I am a boyfriend, okay, the guy had 7 weeks. I don't know anything.
Go and send to you.
Which one? What
Always.
Get the guy.
Always.
So it takes a photo of Bashman Mamata dominant to have a bata. Nah.
No. How I know?
No, listen. I sing Harabat. It's nature. Harry portfolio.
Exactly. So why is that for new?
I think what was the name?
So basically,
girlfriend something. I don't know. Because I think I'm talking about
Hey, bro, how am I supposed to see?
Titla ha na thekla ka ya tsa children.
No. So ha tsa le ditu ha ke go bona na ke tsebe ke batla eng o tona no ga I think o rata chocolate o rata mazimba itseng maybe o rata pizza o rata
Man, how is your
na kwetelele
yena benya ke tlo na hanela
yeah like when I think motho no rata ntho so
ha o sa ya ratwe
but then na motho mo le mo rata ntho so you have to think I think motho ka and then you come with on
it's not like that ke tlo bontsha ntwa ha re shebe he logic o we hore es cherry SOT ha ke dula ke le one ka room o ka kena room ya ka ile sone and then that day o intend sleep over ka ha ke khutla be ke bone ka ona le furniture incha be ke bone ka ona le furniture incha wa tseba go bane we as niggas we ignore it as fuck go dintho tse sa methareng e sa le re hlaya re hola re tseba hore as a man your work is to your job is to protect and provide wa ya bo re ko na hanele dog hey baba you have to do the thinking dog wa bona na for
bua na ke
I get mare you saying hore na konyana enyane itse ba nna konyana ngwana o tlo tshaba hore ke batla ntho e so ana hore o tlo re hai maybe a khone fitla mo sa
mara fo e
let's batla ngwana o mona hanele pila bona hore mthaka o khone fitla mo
o tlo tsitse ka ke tsebe go retsa
like maybe like ila tsamane ke shopong understand shopong bo mazimba le mo ke ba mazimba stem that so at that time ha tlo khona go bua ga tla ntho e so because ha tse
ba shopong yo di le ka ba ka shopong e o tshore ke ya go
no but still na ban ba like motho ga ke tsemo o tlo fitla mo
a tsabe ke tsa la tshila a ke tla mo lo rekela snake a ke fihla like ya sheba shit Doritos Lays what not shit a ke tsebe motho o rata o kila ja mind you o kila ja snake ka plaka dog like maybe boma 4 times ka plaka but I didn't pay attention to that because has your name pidisa has help provide why told you listen
small things matter ne ke ja in that day how I want I don't ntho e small things matter
it's ho wena it's our nature yes listen small honor nature re tlo bella ka kwana cause o nature legit
but then re when I go
come too close
I'm just if that day when I get my zimba out, you have to like pay attention to my zimba so how long at that time I did not learn when I my zimba so
mangwana yenu mazimba ke lo mfetho wa ngwane ka ona batla hayo
no like it's more like
no like my point go wena o tla mamunahanela unke everything yona na go e tlo mkhotsofatsa that's the thing ipela mo I know ngwana na o tlo thabela ntho eo that's the thing jwalo
hore na like ma o kana go ka go o ska somela motho wa unkana go ka mngana kwana hore like a o botsa bana baby fanda go batla a o so mtlwetsa le o tshotela o baby fanda go feel o ja ka
wena ngana go kae
nako ke nako one day ke nako
ke nako ka a re mama ke kana go etelele ne ba ke kana go etelele haholo ke tlaile motho that's why ke reng nna phone re ke buele nna nna ke batla motshana nna le sometimes
so you see you genuine you see a dog I don't understand
le go mothola pilo no le go mpona to tsa o sharp ke react sharp but then sharp bona ke dipotse ke react ke la pilo o bona annanele o la sa mpotse ke antlele dijo tse
se molomo to
hello man
not like banana but I feel like banana have another but they switch off their brain like ba
okay rona mauthi hare na le mathe ya bona all we want is peace. Like, I wanna be peace. I wanna be at peace. I want everything to be peaceful. Your manhood get tested every now and then, every fucking day. Right? I mean, as Mauti, we go through a lot, and we went through a lot. Harabua Kayona, during that moment, I need to have Kayona, and now I need to have. Because when I let this African proverb that says, in the like card, one understand that choose. So it feels like if killer, I'm what not, I'm what. When I go on to just make a house a fever, nah, I was deep in my thoughts, but then to communicate that way. But I was dealing with the pain that I'm going through. No, it's more like I choose. Hey dog, babe, Ophelia Joanka 1 2 1 2 1 2. She gonna tell you what she thinks. Right? And then how much babe, what do you think about 1 2 1 2? She gonna tell you how she feels.
But still, not just.
Yeah, dog. So, brah, hiking
I'm just saying what if you talk about how and you wanna buy something, like you think
that's what I'm
I'm just saying, girls.
Now
everything. If you talk now it provide.
Let's go.
Just no everything. No.
How we come to how like the
No, just no worry. Now come provide like no act work with genuine. Come provide them.
What is the best gift that you ever received from a nigga? What was it?
Nothing.
So you see, to
be honest, nothing.
Choose. She won't tell you shit, but at the same moment, at the very same time, dog, I expect you to nothing. When now but say something.
You understand?
Nah, not to be honest, nothing. Nothing.
Oh shit.
And it's better, Batuma Facebook.
Even though
anyway, now why about masculinity how you kick it in over femininity how because niggas said no. Why when it's a woman?
Because like but we the guy and then I was like nah, it can I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, let's go to the game. What's the game?
But one must go. But I want to make you about Kelvin Smash or Luba. One must go.
Hi.
Kelvin.
No,
Kelvin must go.
Kelvin must go.
Yes.
Oh, Kelvin.
And then on
Kelvin.
What? Guys, this. Like you're gonna
Oh, what's that about thing? But one must go. White cover. I get to
One must go.
I can see what I'm talking about. Like for real, like
cool.
that fella pina ya high, but then
It's obvious, Mzala must
Oh,
go.
Yeah,
Zach,
but
you got a flame.
flame.
Yeah, Flame is that boy. The
Flame
camera-
wakaba what owner ya KFC.
KFC photograph.
Why tell her?
Flame me.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The black one.
Nah, flame had some high. Sure.
But it's a via side. I'm back up in my toe. Not my chance, level.
No, I can't pay a loser. Why will I go?
Oh, about that day. Hot man, I'm telling you. Hot man on TikTok.
Yani ningwa wa 6 tape mwana.
Ah, see.
Oh.
Hot man, no. What's
Hot man, no
the
thing.
Oh, no, it's in what 60 billion by the famous. No, this is about forex.
Oh, nani
Oh,
ke
hot
man
man,
ke tseba
TikTok,
hot man yani ni mo trendisa bana.
Hot man,
Oh, hot man ke mfalani wa qwaqwa yani ne ngana shoota metsi a tsamaya ba re qwaqwa re na le debene ke le wati ke ntwe mfane etsa di video tsa
But then,
Oh, hot man. How about we tell the hot
nah,
man?
I don't even know hot man.
Pina. Hot man ka bo pina.
Pina utabula we itse ha tsebe hot man. So it has to be
Oh,
some
do I go
it has
get
to
hot
be
man?
yeah.
Pina ka bo tabula.
Not to be honest, Tabula must go.
Tabula must
Go.
Why?
No, like, I can't remember your opinion.
tabula yentse.
Next. I never told him Tabula.
E re botsa wena bra wa ka.
Tabula,
E re botsa wena ne. Ha ga ntho, mini jamini, go itile ntho le peltus.
smash up.
Ke mo mo smash, ke mo mo kila, ke mo mo ria.
Ke mare ke mo smasha.
Options are very fair.
I cool though. Hey, me, I love sweet things though. I love botsukere, bo honey bo tramelo, wa bona cheese ke rata tsukere. So obviously, smash is for pearl though. Hey, man. Dog, I'd smash again until I die, dog. I mean, every chance I get, dog. If we sleeping, and then fella, it's dying. If Kirobate, and then the good break about bita, it's dying, dog. And then if ever minute waiting, I call minute. I don't really like him, man. I don't get the hype ever to find that much. So I'd go for her. I'd be the last in corner now. I'd kill
Mary waiting.
wait.
She for kids.
Whatever why waiting for to. I mean, waiting for to give first crash ya TV.
Waka.
Oh, good.
Wait.
I
If you come on that day, son, I don't know, my son.
Wait, black. Smash.
Bona batho bao.
Smash point.
Oh, you smash up it.
Mary
It's crazy.
Mary
e mo ketela sa teng bone.
Can I go to the mean guy? Oh, Mulai.
I never mzala I get it why mini as a hotel ball. Opela minu enting kunyake and mzala gile Kaizer Chiefs. That's nice dog. Wait now. But
Can I get them?
you already said
Which one? Bethi ngiyamshada.
Njaka.
Then phela ngiyamkhila.
Who's got that?
Wamkhila.
Well, mina
It's a sense.
mina shifine.
Ihlaluse brakane
It's a sense. Dog, I'm black as
Mara pale guys.
understand.
Pale guys.
Pale, she's white like an alpha.
How about pen?
Amala, understand it because I prefer white women. And yellow. Dog, white women. As in like maho. No, I'm not like racist, but it's something I wouldn't do, dog. Like a white chick, dog, I call her, dog. So when I understand her, mini because she kind of dark. How about the mutalo compete alone like a complexion? Why pen?
No, pale like
Like she has the features in that time.
We celebrating the crème. We celebrating the crème.
Okay, so speaking of, like, how do you guys feel about Tyler and the way career high escalated? Not you.
Fast.
Do you feel like, but even though it was quick, do you feel like Vele, Tyler is supposed to be the current queen of Africa?
Defect.
Yeah.
Yeah, defect.
Defect.
I know.
Yeah.
No.
I
could like
from
from
Twitter.
the female artist.
No, Arya Star as well Nigeria. I been
Afropop.
Le Tyler. Kimang handling the anything Africa. So
No Tyler going
Tyler ba bega ba ke go lebu.
na Tyler na bone ka nke hype. Ba la bo tension. Magana masipa.
Tyler o sharp.
Black track and high white umtata lomraka. Ona mana le cool drink da.
Yeah. Kana Kenya mo ba lebentse ka ntwana ya blood and water. Yeah, mo ba yeah.
But then
Kana ke.
Inesa hiti.
Cool drink.
Yeah, ke cool drink. Go cheng ke ke music video bona ba shootile ka re ke bona batho ba ekela blood and water.
No no mo ba lenga tumba ba ka mo ba lenga tuhani. Ka pedi mo ba le udimedibete.
Oh yeah, get it, but then
I tell you,
getting late.
Keep here.
It's getting late. Hey,
but then in the hit hakalo.
Keep here.
Yep, pedicure na
Keep
em.
here.
Yeah, catch it 20 man. 20
Come
man.
on, let's just know.
2021.
Make me say, make me do it. And I know it because of that. Like I did. Imagine that. And I get at the shampoo. Get those chicks who have big bums and stuff. Get at the shampoo. You want to become masculine. Bo.
Okoyenze.
Yeah,
Sweat
and me would
No guys, never. Now wouldn't do that. Never. I'm just saying, I wouldn't.
That's a 360.
No,
That's a 360. I can imagine it's a 360.
no, like what?
This is like when I get it.
Thank you.
Call some chica to Robin Samshala.
What
is this? When are you dealing with something?
Aye.
Nana PD.
Nah. Yeah, give us
No,
360.
No, guys, no.
Comment 360 down there.
I call. Lihlo la ka la left ha le bone hantle jolo ka la right. Ke tla kwala la right. Wena la ho le sa boneng hantle.
No, I didn't hear it. I didn't know No, I didn't. No.
Why not?
Yes, I don't know what guy. I'm sure it plays in the too. What's up? Boo.
2 truths and a lie.
Okay.
Truth.
Truth and a lie.
Aye, cool.
Explain.
No, like, that's like,
No, le bapala game.
Explain.
No, le bapala a game called 2 truths or a lie. So what need to say 2 and a lie, and then cast it. I decide which one is a lie.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, guys, yo.
And please make them spicy. Don't make it too deep.
And then take it to if he was talking about money, forever not only 50,000 take I don't know ladies first.
Juice.
Yeah. And make it spicy. Tell us why Josie. Why Josie the potato
Two truths and a lie. Who is it?
Yes.
Then with the juice.
It's like a dog woman.
It's a juice, like.
Yes.
Go away.
But I'm really willing to say 2, the 1 lie. And then better guess out which one is a lie.
Kisenge.
That's just something you mentioned today.
Every mention it.
Nah, but you can't. We already know what the status is high. So don't give us
What if
What if? In a little trophy.
What if you really try?
So Ochonga could continue. 2 truths and a lie. So we need to shorter the last one.
Last one.
There's nobody.
Sorry, Gigan original. Like label. Sorry, label. Before, it's a new before. Sorry, label. Since even.
No, how is it when I go
So, since I go in the thing.
Yeah. No, the likey thing.
Lie.
like jwale mona marobile mashano a mabedi o itse o sengele o itse ha o so kenye label kapo no re ha o re before no bua
before ke tshwara before ke stay
guys uketa o thola sponsor re thola sa channel
from Zegvi ambata
next hey munne you got it back
wa ichisa
yeah lena ngale
that's a lie bro
chai
I'm just single.
Menorin.
Hey, you're not singing.
Label. Alright, cool. 2 truths and a lie.
Wait, how you are gonna play?
You feel like?
Hey,
so give me my
Go singing. That's a lie. I just knew it. Nobody's singing.
Oh, you got 2 truths and a lie.
Yes.
You singing.
Scap hit.
Hey. Oh, give me. Ah, get work singing. I get West relationship. Hey. Keep singing.
As we says Dodge.
Hakso ka ke mafa.
Yes, continue.
Ha ke tsebe ho pheha. Mpona jwang?
I don't.
ye go magatore
Wa tsebe ho pheha?
I'm a woman.
Ella is hard to pay.
ee le nne ke re
He bana.
o dula go
Go sing you.
Ke tsebe ho pheha.
Ela go ga so ma.
Ke tsebe eh.
Okay, so I like the Matthew.
o itseng
So,
You just got exposed. There's nothing. Shit. Why is it?
Ke tsebe ho pheha. Yeah. What else? I'm Christian. What else? What else?
No way.
Yes, I haven't done a blowjob.
No way.
I license to go.
You too.
You can't say you've
No.
never given somebody.
I haven't. I'm telling you.
Yes.
Yeah?
how Christian
I am Christian.
so we should say you like your name. So now we can find a cabo.
No. Okay, I continue.
Hey, what's next then? No. Alright, cool. One truth about me go by choosing. Okay, let's go with that one truth there. Okay, there's this chick, ne? Ke mo ke yasitse ho tloa grade 8 to fihlela ke etsa first year, ne? Only to find out hore ngwana from grade 10 ho fihlela ke etsa first year, she was fucking with my cousin and ke dula le yena ka tlung. Understand? And then she got pregnant ka ngwana wa mzala, and qetellong di batlile di tshwanela nna hore ke nna nte kwa ngwana. I told, alright, cool. That is the reason ke sa tlo tshepa motho wa mme, because I know women can be very sneaky and you ka se bone dog. Understand? Okay. So another thing ke hore ha ne ke etsa grade 12 when I was 18 dog. Ke ne ke qala ho experience ntho ya sugar mama, like I'm a drama ne, and I'm very good at it dog. Very good at what I jembe ne. So already le nna ke tsebe ho no etsa etseng dog. Una ngota di 50 shades. So at some point ke realize itse go motho o nang ripa yo mara ha re da mina na sang ripa because mjalo na ye mama I have a tole mara hantle motho o nang ripa because o njele ka nqondo. I was too young. Okay, so the last thing going Jack. Hey bra, now whenever I'm half dog, I'm gonna tell you I can't do shit. Let me tell you one thing. When I never told that's real life shit. I like I choose ha ke mafa
Hey,
I don't
ke
need
jetsile.
short.
Eh, bra. A o sa ikhothi we je.
I tell why dog. I mean, wabona how lo ikhotha da. Nna o tshong qalong hore ke khotha choose. Ke ne ke khotha hobane ba ne ba ngutile hore the only way o tlo khona ho kwa ho bona bo di something sitse odd ka cherry le bo snail and some things I choose. It's if o khotha. Wang understand?
Wabona?
So me
Like
I like it feel like I'm
Like
a tiger dog. Where I talk, pull the pencil with the teeth. I tell you, can't even take it under dog. Where I talk, yeah, I might be muffin, but you can't even handle take it cola under dog. I can't just say baby bullet like but I'll check us some.
Malaki wa yetsa.
Wang understand? Hey, mara dog muffin. Ah dog. Aksa muffin chaka kya hai.
Nna ke bona e nyontse.
O gola ka eng? O bala wa yetsa.
No, mix.
Oh mafu.
Yes. Ke a hana.
Ha?
Ke a hana. Ke bona e nyontse na. Ha ona mohlang ke e etse. That's the thing. Never. I will never do it.
We got the cheese beat.
Wala ba.
Oh,
A tla yetsa. Kwala mme go shipelwa. Ai, ke a tshega kwala no. Ke kwala.
Butle. Ra kwala ba. Ha re so bui, ha le so arabe potso. And like do you guys feel like Tyler Thronia Fuwe, yeah, she's the African queen though. Like does she really deserve it?
yes.
Ladies,
I think
when
that
when
she
I
worked
say-
hard. She
we
worked
She
hard.
worked hard and she
you say
works hard.
Yeah.
you say
Hard
your
work,
opinion
happy
doesn't matter
Yeah.
because Tyler ke
I
role
believe
model.
whatever is a difference.
Yeah, like why
What difference?
Like Tyler,
No,
whether we like it or not, Tyler
She's
also
global.
She's global,
Yeah,
and
absolutely
Obama
like
recognized
yellow.
it.
By
Pina
everyone.
Haywine, of course, Pina Zahidi Malwa. But Tyler, I guess, honey work ethic. Ukilam one the stage in
Yeah.
Ugas honey work ethic. Tyler, Ugas honey with Tyler. Yeah, she might not be talented as such, or the very vocalist, the 18 Yamuho. But she works hard and she's very talented.
Thank you.
Me, I
Wait,
I feel like hore Tyler ba fihle ba mo beya da. It was because ba ne ba batla ho fumana somebody aka comprehend scale sa Rihanna.
I know.
No,
I
that
think
is
I
what
don't think
you
that was
guys
leveling
think.
Rihanna.
I said me, I think.
Yeah,
I feel
There was a
like-
chat on can I get
Cause so hopole Tyler na kwa na booma
But
choose.
nothing like Rihanna le Tyler. Rihanna le Tyler. Guys, Rihanna le Tyler.
But about Rihanna and Tyler different genres
No.
of music.
No, yeah.
And
Hey.
Rihanna
As
Uliginya
much-
High.
Tyler
Uliginya High.
Yeah.
Dog, le fatshe. If re na le president eo ha itlo, tlameha re thole president e ntjha. It doesn't matter hore Zuma o na le leking ya hae. Mara Zuma ha tswa, tlameha re thole msholozi ya motjha. You understand? That is what I was trying to explain, guys.
Tyler le Rihanna.
That is what I was just
Wa ba
trying
sa
to
Tyler
say.
le Beyonce.
Yeah.
Ba
As-
Tyler le Rihanna. Wa ba sa Tyler le Tim.
Tyler le Beyonce. I mean, Beyonce is not as cute as Rihanna.
Ke eng o
Have you
bela
seen
I
Queen
don't know
Ray?
what side
Yeah,
like
no, no,
it.
Have you seen Queen
La
Ray?
talent ka po.
No, dog, like everything.
Yeah.
Yamela, like, okase compare. Hey, you guys gonna say you're offensive. But okase re Tyler McCarthy.
No.
You being a
Dog.
no. Like
But Okacho, yeah, but like okay, Shabu, difference
How?
like wena or I give to offend. Sexualize about trouble made too much.
thank you.
Hi, I just took
Like,
it.
what are we
Sexualize about trouble
doing
made too
then?
much. Ushebe Makazi, successful in what she does because she's talented. But especially here in South Africa, we celebrate the talent. People like you, when you think or Tyler because she is talented. She is beautiful. Yes, you said so yourself.
Me,
With the-
myself
what
and
was that?
I,
Yeah.
never plus.
We do
I said Tyler had his evidence. How important why you keep bringing up
analogy how
Makati has been doing this shit.
Mara
Sorry.
unvela, try.